Hey, what's up kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the behind the scenes on last week's video of the abandoned factory. If you haven't seen the finished edit, I'll link it up right here. It'll give you a better idea of what exactly we're talking about. So first things first, in my opinion, I think that the most important step is the pre-planning before you go into an abandoned place like this. So I'm going to dive into the computer and show you exactly what I researched, the maps and all that good stuff, so you know exactly what we knew before going into this location. Alright, now that we're on the computer, I'll go a little bit more into how we got this done. Pretty simple, went to Google and typed in abandoned places in North Carolina. From there, I was able to populate a lot of different lists, and it's all about kind of just checking them all out and seeing what interests you. I did come across a website called Road Trippers. It's a pretty neat website. And just from the thumbnail of just browsing it, I was able to see that the Great Falls Mills Ruins, that's the official name of the place that we went to, looked pretty cool. So I clicked on it, gave me a description, a nearby location, as well as a bunch of other people who had been to it with a little bit of advice. For example, this first person recommends a machete. The second person also advises that there's a lot of kudzu, which is those vines that we had to go through. So I knew that was definitely going to be something that we were going to have to take care of. And they also said that there was a beautiful waterfall, which is not portrayed here in the picture, so I was even more intrigued to go and find it. Using this map right here, I was able to kind of pinpoint around the location that I was trying to go to. Right here is the Great Falls Mills, and the nearest thing that I could find was a Quality Inn Suites across the street, as well as a taco factory. So I knew it was in Rockingham, but now a little bit more pinpointed because Rockingham isn't such a big place, but it is very spread out. So this definitely helped me pinpoint it a little bit closer to where we needed to park. From here on out, I was able to Google exactly the distance from myself. I live in downtown Raleigh, so it'd be about 2 hours from me, and Zander lived in Wilmington, which was about 2 hours for him. So instead of him coming up to meet me up in Raleigh, we were able to kind of just coordinate to meet here at this location, which I put in as the taco factory, around 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. I believe is when we planned to get there. So from there on out, I read a couple more reviews, as well as of course YouTube did, and where I found a couple of videos, not very many, and so I clicked on the one that actually had been uploaded most recently. So this was 3 months before we went, and kind of just looking at the video to make sure that it was exactly what I expected and with no surprise. In this video, this person does mention that this is a public property and people can just walk in, which is definitely, one of the main concerns when going to an abandoned place is you don't want to get in trouble, you don't want to trespass. That is important. And I was able to kind of pinpoint their route into the structure, although it's not very clear because it's very tough to find a path when people are kind of just walking through the woods. So after looking through the whole video, I was actually able to get a good idea. I had kind of the best idea of exactly what we were going to come across, and although the directions weren't too direct, I figured Zander and I could figure it out because we had a lot of information and we were going to be very careful. Finally, the day before we went, as well as a bunch of days prior, we make sure to check the weather because, that's if it was going to rain, we were definitely going to cancel our trip. This is the weather from now, not the weather from back then. I just wanted to pull it up here just to remind myself to make it a point that the weather was going to be important and we were going to reschedule if it was not, in fact, ideal for shooting. So we had the weather, we had precautions, we knew it was public, and from then on we just set the date and I shared the location with Zander. And yeah, from then on, this is what proceeded. What's up guys? It is 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're all packed from the night before. I'm dressed up, brushed my teeth, washed my face a little bit, and ready to make this trip. About to get some gas and meet Zander here in Rockingham. We'll see you there. What's up, guys?
What's up?
PD and Zander back at it again.
Oh yeah.
Parked here at the Days Inn, right across where we will be entering, right around there. And we don't really know where we're going, but we're just gonna head into that hole there in the forest. And according to Google Maps, if we walk straight down east, we should be able to reach the structure. Also, Xander brought a machete, so.
Yep. Oh, the machete? Yeah, it's over here.
Yeah. So you'll see it in action a little bit, but we hopefully we've been told a lot of times and recommended that we're gonna have to cut through a bunch of vines. So we'll update you when we get across the street. So just in order to not ruin my camera right now, I'm going to be vlogging the trip through GoPro, but the cinematics will be on the EOS R. So just wanted to let you know that the next footage you see of me talking will be through a GoPro. Crossing the street.
It's time.
No one's seeing us going here. It's 8 in the morning. It's public property, but you never know what people.
Yeah.
Wonder what other people be doing.
What we're gonna find. Good thing we have a machete.
Yeah.
An Asian who knows only a little bit of martial arts.
All right. This looks like one of the YouTube videos I saw. This looks familiar.
Yeah.
You want
Ooh, wait. The structure.
It's that way. I think. Do you see a building? Oh, you see it right there? You see a building there?
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, guys, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's actually, there is supposed to be a waterfall out here with some nice views. So there's the waterfall. That's the stream. It's next to the factory, which is awesome.
Wait, right here?
Yeah, it's next to the factory. That's what kept the factory running, was that water mill.
No way.
So we should follow the water and be able to find our way into the factory. On the ground for snakes. Luckily, Xander likes snakes, so should be in good hands.
Finding our location now. All right. Oh, we could. Looks like we could go around further up north and get to that side.
Alrighty. Yeah, I should have worn pants. What was I thinking?
Careful. No snakes. God.
No snakes.
Dude, look at this. Holy shit. Alright, be careful. Definitely looks like a bit slippery.
Fuck. It's a bit slippery here. I'm gonna put the GoPro in my mouth now so I can hold it, yet still.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's like rock over there. Whoa. Oh yeah, this is it.
Oh, it's a building. There you go.
Oh shit. Dude, look at that.
What the hell?
This is dope.
Yeah, so either go in here more or we go, I mean, there's more structure that way. I'm trying to start thinking of ideas of where to take photos and stuff.
I feel like I want to be on that side. Is this the main picture that you showed me?
From that side, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what it was. There's so much ivy now. The season that we're in.
There is a way to that waterfall, I know that.
Yeah, oh definitely. Bulldoze right there. Oh shit! That is dope!
Oh, dude! Oh, watch out, dude! Oh my god, that's dirty, dude! Alright guys, so I don't know if you can hear me, I'm gonna talk loudly. Oh damn. We're changing, getting our gear out. We're about to start shooting cinematics, some photos, some videos, take the drone out. We got about an hour and a half before the sun gets here. Setting up the tripod for a nice little dreamy long exposure pic. All right guys, we got an ND filter on here.
Doing 20-second shutter speed S-Pop 22 to close it out because it was really light. ISO 100 to avoid that grain, and hitting the click button. What's up, guys? So I hope you like the video and all those cinematics, and you can see how tough it actually is from finding an adventure to the way that influencers make it look. We're not influencers, we're just trying to imitate how they make it look, but as you can see from the GoPro footage, it's not pretty to get here. But you know, hopefully you guys learned some stuff, and then hopefully Zander and I will go on another adventure soon and just try to find some more cool places around North Carolina. But yeah, until then, have a good one. Stay safe.
You guys, peace.